with our arms are almost like they're in the same position, slightly bent, and we don't have to do almost much, it's just following up all over. But we don't have to do anything like this. If we start to do that, it means our arms are working. Our legs might be working, but in addition to that, our arms are working, and that's what the first one is on. So if we can eliminate push from arm, and from shoulder and leg, we are saving our arms. The same is with the pull. We don't want to be doing this one. It's just slightly bent, and all the way it's just a push through.
It's the famous paddler's box. Have you heard about the paddler's box?
Yeah.
You know, here, paddler's
Sorry.
box. Well, it means you have a piece of cardboard here, and the cardboard can rotate.
And
But the cardboard cannot change the shape.
yeah. So
Ah,
there
there we
is a little bit of freedom, because we are all different the shape on how much our arms are bent or straight through the stroke. But it should be more or less same. Some people have them a little bit more bent, some people a little bit straighter. But if you have them straighter, it should be straighter through shape. Because the power comes from our feet and from the body. And arms are just two sticks in between to help to transfer the power.
We're in Otter Ayre Bay. I'm just going out into the wind for a short time. We're going that way. Right. Okay, Brian, left. Let's cave past Otter's Bay. A nice natural arch ahead. you. It's what? All right. So here we are, Friday the 24th of July, around Muckle Roe. So Otter Ayre is just around the corner there, Shetland Sea and Ronis Board.
Really focus on the power in here. That's the west side of the Otter, isn't it? Have we been through here before? Or is it a different one? And then it will turn eventually to the left.
Alright, sweet. Okay. Whoa, that'll just take a little bit. Sorry? There's a tricky bit at the start, you catch it. Very got caught on that. This one. There. Let's do this one.